In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate pages in Google Docs. This is a super handy trick, especially when you're dealing with a document that requires a clear division between sections or paragraphs. Maybe you're working on a report, an essay, or even organizing notes, and visually distinct pages are just what you need. Let's dive right into it. Imagine you have your Google Doc in front of you. You see several paragraphs or sentences, and you've decided it's about time to structure them better by moving some onto new pages. To do this, you'll want to begin by moving your cursor. Simply place it where you wish to create that page break. This could be at the beginning of a sentence or right at the paragraph where the new page should begin. With your cursor in the right spot, you're going to harness the power of your keyboard. You'll need to press a combination of keys that acts like a magic wand for document layout. Control plus Enter. This action might seem small, but pressing these keys together tells Google Docs to add a page break precisely where your cursor is positioned. It's that simple. By doing this, everything following the cursor will shift neatly onto a new page. So rather than having your document appear as one long stream of text, you now have two distinct pages. This can greatly enhance the readability and organization of your document. This technique is not only straightforward, but it also empowers you to exert more control over how your content is presented. It helps when you're tailoring a document for different audiences or just trying to keep your work tidy and professionally formatted. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip. Once you've inserted a page break, you can always go back to adjust your sections if needed. If you ever find that you've inserted a break in the wrong spot or decide to remove it, simply place your cursor at the start of the new page and hit the backspace or delete key just as you would remove any other character. This will pull the text back into the previous page, and that's all there is to it. Separating pages in Google Docs can seem trivial, but mastering this can save you a lot of time and help make your documents look their best. If you found the video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Docs and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching and happy writing.